everyone, welcome to Creative Art. It's been so long I posted a video on glass painting, so here is a special one for all of you. Today we are going to make a beautiful lotus glass painting on textured glass which will be mounted on a stand. This tutorial is from my upcoming book of glass painting for beginners. So friends, please do subscribe and do show your love and support for a new beginning. Let's get started. Here are all the materials that we need for this painting. All we're going to need a textured glass. So there are different types of textured glass available. Mostly you will get this size of glass just free of cost, remaining from a window cutout. And in case if you want to buy a glass like this, you have to visit a glass store. Next, we're going to need glass colors. For glass colors, I'm going to use Fevicryl water-based glass colors. You can also use camel solvent glass colors. A reference of lotus and dragonfly. To place this textured glass, I have custom made this wooden base and decorated it with some clay to make it look like this. The glass piece will finally fit in this gap and it will be standing, so we can place it on a tabletop. For lining, I'm going to use metallic gold glass liner and metallic silver glass liner from Camel. For cleaning the glass, I'm going to use a glass cleaner and a napkin. For securing all the four sides of base with reference, we're going to use a tape, and to pop out all the bubbles and remove any excess color, we're going to use cotton buds. List of all these materials will be linked and listed in the description box below from where you can buy them online. Now let's start the tutorial, friends. First, start by removing the sheet which is laid on the smoother side of the glass. There always will be a textured side and there always will be a smoother side on which we have to paint. So this is how the smoother side looks, and from the smoother side you can clearly see how the texture and the foggy glass looks. So this is the base that we are going to paint on. So first remove this covering sheet. Now place the textured side of the glass on our reference sheet, and the smoother side is the side that we are going to paint on. Using tape, secure all the four sides of the textured glass with the reference, and then using 261 metallic gold glass liner, which is water based, let's start lining the design. Now I have finally completed doing the lining part using gold and silver glass liner, and this is how beautiful it looks. I did add a few extra leaves and 2 lotus buds, drawing them freehand, and I also did this beautiful silver lining of waves for water. And then I have let it get dry for at least 24 hours completely, and now it's finally ready for the coloring part. So now friends, let's start the coloring part using Fevicryl glass colors which do come in this kind of bottles. For dragonfly, wings, I'm going to do a glittering white color. For body, I'm going to do blue, glittering blue. For leaves, I'm going to use parrot green and crystal green. For water, I'm going to use the glittering glass color sea blue. For lotus, we are going to use yellow for the center, white, light pink and pink. First, I'll start by doing the center yellow. Then I'm going to use the sea blue shade for coloring the water part. Now I'm going to use the glittering white for the dragonfly wings. Now for coloring the lotus, I'm going to use 3 different colors. The first is pink, second is white, and the third one is a mixture of pink and white which gives us a light pink shade. And this is how it will look. Just use an empty bottle and mix both these colors in equal portion to get the light pink. So this will make your shading part really easy to get this kind of beautiful shading in your paintings. So now first of all, I'm going to use white for the bottom parts of lotus, then the light pink, and finally for the top I will be using few drops of dark pink. First, I'm going to use white. In case there are any bubbles, remove them using cotton bud. Then I'm using few drops of light pink after white. Using a pin, I'm going to mix light pink with white just a little bit. And now finally, use just one drop of pink on the edge of each lotus like this, and then using the pin mix the light pink and dark pink. It will take some time, but just let it mix gently. Now this is how the petals will look after mixing the color very well. Now repeat the same steps for rest of the petals. Now I have finally completed doing the coloring part, and this is how it looks. So now friends, we will let it get dry for at least 24 hours and then I will show you how does it looks. Okay? Now I did the lining part once again, and this is how beautiful our painting looks from the front side, and I have also done the same glittering blue color on base, and now it is absolutely ready to place this piece. And now finally friends, this is how beautiful our textured glass painting looks on the stand we made. So placing it vertically gives us so many different angles and the maximum possibility of light on our glass painting. As you can see, different angles and different views will give you different lights. For example, if I take my camera down, there is a maximum possibility of light which is passing, and when I bring upwards, the light intensity is reduced and we get to see a beautiful painting. So both the ways are very beautiful. Now let me show you the textured side of the glass, which is this, and this beautifully complements our painting. As you can see, the dragonfly is sometimes visible, it's sometimes not, but the lotus is beautiful and bright. You always have to decide a design which is complementing your base. For example, in this design, the waves of water look so natural because of the textured glass, and the lotus looks floating, as well as the dragonfly looks flying in air. So both the ways it looks very beautiful. Friends, do tell me in the comments below, what do you think about this beautiful painting? And if you do like my paintings friends, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.